Pull it forward towards you. Yeah. Oh, there. Oh, what happened?
I'm good.
All right. Well, we're clear now. So. Today we're going to go to Stan's pad and drop in his KA and his S14. Heading out right now with the cherry picker. Got it loaded up in the old beater. This car is a total champ. Oh shit. I don't know if you can see that. 425,000 miles with all the warning lights on. First things first, we need some beer. We're at Stan's house. Got to unload the cherry picker and get to it. What we got going on here, Stan? What's the word?
The worm is the word. I just need to put this
Oil pen?
oil pen on.
Oh, okay. Villains drift knuckles. Here, putting on the clutch and the pressure plate. Almost ready to go in.
Oh, Stan, I'm 240 Stan.
If you maybe just pull the front while I lower it, just so we could clear the pressure plate.
Wait, what?
Because see how we just got to get it past that little part. So pull it forward towards you. Yeah. Oh, there. Oh, what happened?
I'm good.
All right. Well, we're clear now, so you have plenty of room.
I even put that condenser, dude, on my finger.
At least it's not the radiator.
Yeah.
Alright. We can go down now. The only
somewhere. Where's it stuck?
Oh,
right there.
Yeah. The only thing on this side is.
That shit hurt. Alright, so you know what? Let's drop it down and bring this forward so it can like tilt it down.
Okay.
Drop it down.
Just watch that rack. That was the only thing that was hitting.
Oh, the rack?
Or it wasn't hitting, but it's about to hit.
Okay. Alright, right there.
Now it's on the mount, huh?
No, go down a little bit more.
It's touching something. Yeah.
The sway bar.
Oh, okay. Because right now it's not even on the engine hoist, really.
Oh, okay. Hold up, drop it now.
It's gonna have to tilt this way for sure, because this motor mount's like almost fucking. You gotta see the engine's tipped over way too far.
Yeah. Or maybe if we align the motor mounts, the trans motor will align too.
Yeah. Alright, so the engine's in almost. We just gotta align it with the trans and line up the motor mounts, and then we're good. You gotta stand down there. Trying to shimmy it in. Almost there, guys.
Okay.
There you go. This one's almost in. Just watch your hands. Oh, dude, it's like almost fucking in, bro. There we go. Fuck. Damn, boy.
Andy's lady, here we come.
But will it start? Just kidding. Pretty good progress right here. Stan's just tightening up some shit down there. Hopefully you get this thing running pretty soon. Alright, so I'm gonna leave Stan, finish this project up right now. Trans and motor are together. Just needs to put a couple bolts back together, plug in the rest of the heart. Why do you look like such a puppy?
I'm tired.
But yeah, we're making some good progress on this thing for sure. Be ready for Andy's sleigh days, so stay tuned, guys. Next episode, you should see this thing running. So then, guys, peace.
Guys.